In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address in League of Legends. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the change so your account stays secure. We'll do this on a web browser because the League client doesn't handle email changes directly. Before you start, make sure you have access to the new email address you want to use and keep that inbox open in another tab or on your phone so you can verify quickly. Open your preferred browser and head to the official Riot sign-in page. Log in with your Riot account details just as you normally would. After you're signed in, go to your account settings. This is the central place where you manage your Riot account information for League of Legends and other Riot games. Inside account settings, look to the left side and click Personal Information. This section contains your contact details, including the email currently linked to your account. You'll see your existing email address displayed there. Click that email field to enable editing. Carefully type the new email address you'd like to use, making sure there are no typos or extra spaces. A quick double check here can save you from having to repeat the process. Once the new email is entered, click Save. You'll then be prompted to verify the change. Riot will send a verification message to the new email address you just entered. Open your new inbox, find the message from Riot, and follow the verification link or button inside the email. This step confirms that you actually own the new address and is required to complete the update. After you verify, return to the account settings page and confirm that your new email is now displayed. You may be asked to sign in again for security, which is normal. From here on, this new email becomes the primary contact for account notifications, password resets, and security alerts across your Riot account. If you don't see the verification email within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder and search your inbox for terms like Riot or verification. If it still hasn't arrived, go back to account settings and resend the verification and ensure the email address you entered is spelled correctly. If you use additional security like two-factor authentication, follow any on-screen prompts to finish the process. That's all there is to it. Sign in on the browser, go to account settings, open personal information, click your email, replace it, save, and verify from your inbox. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the Rift.